Alright, so we're back with another episode. The console continues. So, last time we left off, we cleaned out all the stuff. We cleaned out every channel, every module. We cleaned it out, deoxidated every single one. Took them all out, put them back in, and then it didn't power up correctly. So, remember in the very first episode, we plugged it in and it didn't work, and we went over and we had to fix this power supply. One of the cables just wasn't soldered on here. We reconnected that and then attached this unit, plugged it back in, turned it on, and it worked. Unfortunately, I tried to clean it, tried to put it back, and now it doesn't work. This section right here doesn't power up at all. Nothing, no indicators come on here, and no signal passes through any of the channels. What does happen though when we plug the power in and turn it on over there, if I hit this solo button or the mute button, those will light up. So there is something going on in the board. It's just not, I'm guessing it's just not connected right. So all that happened and I got super discouraged and I didn't really know the right next steps. A couple people suggested that I open it back up, make sure that all the pins and ribbons and 4-pin connectors and stuff are plugged in, like not offset one pin. And a couple people said that I should go on the back here, find the main power board, which is, it's this guy. If I can take this off and see a little bit of what's going on the other side of this, but I don't know how to, I'm not comfortable testing the voltage and stuff. So I haven't done that yet. And I remember when it was empty, if I kind of trace this down the ribbon and the power cables end up going underneath here somewhere to another motherboard or circuit board here, and there's a bunch of ribbon cables and stuff connected there. But again, that's kind of beyond my capability at this moment. So yeah, I haven't dove into that because I don't know, I need some help, or I need some feedback, or I need someone to come and help that knows how to do that. The other thing that I wanted to sort of put out to everyone is another reason why I've been a little bit daunted is because it takes so much time to take all these things out. It's not a simple task, and I don't want to have to take every single one of these things out just to get to the power section if I don't have to. Especially when it comes to like testing it, right? I don't have to want to take these all out, fix something if I can find out what to fix, put them all back in, and then check the power. So I guess one of my questions is it possible to remove all these things, see if I can figure out what's going on in the power section, and then test it before I plug all the modules back in? Or is it possible to just test the power on one module? I'm not sure. So if anyone has any thoughts or feedback on that, it would be really awesome if y'all could chime in and let me know what you think. If I can just test one module, please let me know the best way to do that, because again, I'm not really sure how, I'm just a little bit concerned and worried, and not 100% certain on how best to do that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you have any thoughts or feedback, please comment or send me a personal message. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, hope everyone's doing well. Cheers, y'all.